Welcome to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most incredible transformations happening right now, the rise of India through massive infrastructure development. From world-class highways to bullet trains, from futuristic cities to mega airports, the scale at which India is changing has never been seen before in its history. This is not just development. This is a national upgrade that is shaping a new India for the next 50 years. So let's understand how India is rising and what this transformation truly means. India's growth story starts with a dramatic change in transportation. For decades, travel across states took long hours, poor road connectivity slowed down businesses, and logistics costs were extremely high. But today, the situation has completely changed. Under Bharatmala Pariyojana, thousands of kilometers of highways are being built to connect all major economic corridors. New expressways like the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, Bengaluru-Chennai Expressway, Purvanchal Expressway, Lucknow-Kanpur Expressway, and the Samruddhi Mahamarg are reducing travel times by 30 to 50%. These are not ordinary roads. They are multi-lane, access-controlled expressways built at global standards, connecting cities, ports, and industrial zones. This road revolution is boosting trade, improving tourism, and making travel smoother and safer for millions. One of the biggest game changers is the dedicated freight corridor. For the first time, India has high-speed railway tracks made exclusively for freight movement. These corridors allow goods trains to run faster, reduce congestion on passenger lines, and significantly transportation costs for industries. This is crucial for manufacturing, exports, and global competitiveness. The freight corridors will eventually connect ports, industrial hubs, and logistics parks in one seamless network. And then comes the biggest symbol of India's transportation future, the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train. This will be India's entry into the high-speed rail era, with trains running at 320 kilometers per hour. It will cut travel time between the two cities from 6 hours to around 2 hours. More importantly, it will introduce advanced Japanese technology, create thousands of jobs, and set new standards for future bullet train corridors across the country. High-speed rail is not just a transport upgrade, it's a technological boost that can reshape India's mobility for decades. Another area where India is seeing rapid transformation is aviation. Just a decade ago, India had fewer than 100 operational airports. Today, the number is rising fast, and the country is moving towards 220-plus airports. Air travel is no longer limited to major cities. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities now have modern airports, making travel easier and boosting regional economies. The upcoming Noida International Airport in Juar is set to become India's largest, built with cutting-edge design, massive capacity, and eco-friendly technology. Bengaluru and Hyderabad airports are adding new terminals, runways, and international connectivity. India is also building new MRO, maintenance, repair, and overhaul facilities, reducing dependence on foreign countries for aircraft servicing. All of this is turning India into a major aviation hub in Asia. Along with transportation, India's cities are undergoing a major upgrade. The Smart Cities mission is transforming urban areas with modern control centers, efficient traffic systems, digital services, better waste management, 24/7 water supply systems, and cleaner public spaces. Cities like Surat, Indore, Pune, Nagpur, and Bhubaneswar are setting global examples in urban planning. These improvements may seem small individually, but together they make cities more livable, business-friendly, and future-ready. Then comes one of India's most futuristic projects, GIFT City in Gujarat. This is India's first global financial and technology hub designed on the model of Singapore and Dubai. GIFT City has automated utility tunnels, advanced digital infrastructure, and special economic rules that attract global banks, fintech companies, stock exchanges, and investment firms. It is becoming a magnet for international finance and innovation. As GIFT City grows, it will play a huge role in positioning India as a global financial power. India's rise is also strongly supported by its energy transformation. The country is now one of the world leaders in renewable energy. Massive solar parks in Rajasthan's Bhadla, Gujarat's Dholera, and Karnataka's Pavagada are some of the biggest in the world. India is pushing aggressively towards clean energy, aiming for large solar farms, wind energy, green hydrogen, and EV adoption. Charging networks for electric vehicles are expanding quickly, with companies installing thousands of stations nationwide. This shift to clean energy is not just about the environment. It reduces fuel imports, strengthens energy security, and supports new industries that create jobs. At the same time, metro rail networks are growing at a record speed. Delhi now has one of the world's largest metro systems, while cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru, Pune, Kochi, Lucknow, Kanpur, Nagpur, and Ahmedabad are rapidly expanding their networks. Metros make cities faster, cleaner, and less congested. Many cities are also introducing advanced systems like driverless metros and interconnected multimodal hubs where buses, metros, and trains meet in one location. This is modern, efficient urban transport, something India has needed for decades. Ports are also undergoing massive modernization. Under the Sagarmala project, ports are being upgraded with better cargo handling, faster loading systems, deep water capabilities, and better road-rail connectivity. These upgrades help India become a global trading powerhouse. Coastal areas are also seeing the development of new industrial zones, shipyards, and logistics hubs that create employment and attract foreign investment. Industrial corridors are another backbone of India's rise. Projects like the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, Chennai-Bengaluru Corridor, and Amritsar-Kolkata Corridor are creating new smart manufacturing cities, logistics hubs, warehouses, and industrial clusters. These corridors integrate highways, railways, townships, and power supply into one unified system. This makes industries more efficient and attracts global companies looking to manufacture in India. With these corridors, India is becoming a reliable alternative to China in global supply chains. What makes India's infrastructure rise truly special is the speed at which everything is happening. In the last decade alone, India has built more highways, metros, airports, and renewable energy capacity than ever before. Technology is also playing a big role. Digital systems, drones, AI-based monitoring, and modern construction techniques are helping projects move faster and with better quality. India is no longer just catching up. It is setting new benchmarks for large-scale development. All of this has a direct impact on people's lives. Faster travel means more time saved. Better airports and metros mean more convenience. Smart cities mean cleaner surroundings. Industrial corridors mean more jobs. Renewable energy means lower pollution. Infrastructure is not just about buildings and roads. It is about improving the quality of life and creating opportunities for millions of people. India's rise is visible everywhere. New cities, cleaner trains, wider highways, powerful economic zones, and world-class technology parks are becoming a part of everyday life. The entire nation is moving towards a future that feels more connected, more modern, and more globally competitive. India's rise is not a dream. It's happening right in front of our eyes. And this is just the beginning. The next decade will bring even more expressways, more metros, more airports, more smart cities, and more clean energy projects. India is building a foundation that will support its growth for generations. This is the rise of a new India, stronger, faster, cleaner, and ready to lead on the global stage. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more powerful stories about India's development. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.